Popeye's chicken sandwich versus KFC's chicken sandwich. We started at Popeye's Chicken, went in and ordered a chicken sandwich. They loaded it with chicken. It came with pickles and your choice of spicy or regular sauce. The sandwich was $3.99. I ordered a side of mashed potatoes and coleslaw, but we're not including the sides in our comparison. It was good. Next, off to see the Colonel. Up to the counter and ordered KFC's chicken sandwich. It also had a big piece of chicken in it and came with pickles and sauce. You could also add extras. I went with lettuce and tomato, a side of fries, and coleslaw. Again, we are only judging the chicken sandwich. It was good. Now for the side-by-side comparison. They both had a brioche bun. It was very good. The pieces of chicken were very large on both sandwiches, and the breading was comparable. KFC was seasoned a little more. Sauces and pickles were the same. Now for the final taste test. This one was close. But taking everything into consideration and the opinion of Fat Chef Restaurant Guide, the winner was KFC's chicken sandwich. If you want to see more, go to our website at www.fatchefrestaurantguide.com.